Your event rental business runs on two things: getting equipment to the venue in one piece and keeping your inventory safe when it is back in the warehouse. Those two zones, the road and the warehouse, are also where most event rental companies take their biggest financial hits. Let's cover both so there are no gaps. Every truck, van, trailer, and flatbed your company uses to deliver equipment is a liability on the road. Commercial auto insurance covers your legal liability if one of your drivers causes an accident, bodily injury to other people, and damage to other vehicles or property. It also covers physical damage to your own vehicles through collision and comprehensive coverage. Here is what many event rental operators don't realize. If your drivers use their personal vehicles, or even a rented truck, for deliveries, your business can still be held liable in an accident. Commercial auto covers that exposure. Personal auto policies do not. Your insurance carrier cares about who is behind the wheel. A formal driver screening program, MVR checks, driving history reviews, and documented training directly impacts your commercial auto premium. More importantly, if an unqualified driver is involved in an accident, your insurer may have grounds to limit or deny coverage. Screen your drivers, document it, require it in writing as a company policy. Now, your warehouse is not just a building, it is where your entire revenue stream lives. Commercial property insurance covers your building, your leasehold improvements, and most importantly, your business personal property. For an event rental company, this means your entire equipment inventory, tents, tables, chairs, lighting, generators, all of it needs to be covered at current replacement cost. Also ask about business interruption coverage. If a fire or storm makes your warehouse unusable, it pays your ongoing expenses and lost revenue while you rebuild. Here is the gap that surprises most event rental operators. Standard commercial property only covers your equipment while it is at your warehouse location. The moment your equipment gets on a truck or arrives at a venue, standard property coverage may not apply. An inland marine policy, also called an equipment floater, closes that gap. It covers your inventory in transit and while it is set up at a customer location. For event rental companies, this is not optional coverage. Your equipment spends more time at job sites than it does in your warehouse. One more gap worth knowing: loading and unloading liability. Many standard general liability policies contain exclusions for bodily injury or property damage that occurs during the loading or unloading of a vehicle. For event rental companies, setup and teardown is when a large portion of your accidents and injuries actually happen. Make sure your GL policy explicitly covers loading and unloading operations. PartyRentalInsurance.ai specializes in event rental company insurance. We know exactly which policies cover your fleet, your warehouse, your equipment in the field, and your crew on the job. Visit PartyRentalInsurance.ai and get your coverage sorted today.